Hi everyone, it's Anthony from Neos SmartCam. I'm going to show you how to set up your new Neos SmartCam. Without further ado, let's get started. So there are three things you will need for setup. You'll need the SmartCam, a smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection. First, you need to download the app. We've included a link in the description below. Once you have downloaded the app, create your SmartCam user account by following the on-screen instructions. Once complete, you'll receive an email to verify your email address. Now let's see what's in the box. You will have a SmartCam, quick start user guide, an additional box. Inside the additional box, you have the Neos SmartCam power supply. It comes with a round metal plate and an adhesive round pad. Now let's add your new Neos SmartCam to the app. The first thing you want to do is remove the plastic from the SmartCam. Let's head over to the app. If your account creation has been successful, then you will see a plus icon in the top right hand corner of the app. Press the plus icon to be taken into the device setup screen. You will now see a screen like this. And then you're going to want to plug in your SmartCam. So connect your USB and power it up. There is an LED light on the back of the camera. That should be a solid yellow when you plug it in. This is telling you that the camera is warming up. Wait until there is a blinking yellow light before you begin setup. Now you're ready to connect your Wi-Fi SmartCam to your Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi information should automatically populate with the network that your phone is already connected to. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Now come back to your SmartCam. On the bottom of the camera there is a little button. Push that button and hold it down until you hear it say ready to connect.
Ready to connect.
Now go back to your app and confirm you heard it say ready to connect. You should then see a QR code like this appear. Simply present this code to the Neos SmartCam.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
It works best about 10 centimeters from the SmartCam. After it scans, you should hear the camera say, QR code scanned, please wait. If the QR code has scanned correctly, you press this button and the SmartCam should finish the setup process on its own. The LED indicator on the back should now be flashing between yellow and blue, and then it will flash blue and then turn a solid blue.
Setup completed.
Now you can name your camera. I'm going to call this SmartCam Studio because after all that's where we are. Once you have named your camera, hit Save Device Details and you're all set to begin using your SmartCam. So now the camera is working, you can then find it at home. To mount your camera, you will require the adhesive pad. Peel away the white film, stick it to the back of the metal mounting plate and then remove the red film. Place it on the wall and then take your SmartCam and stick it to the mounting plate. A few things to watch out for. Most Wi-Fi networks are 2.4 GHz. Some Wi-Fi networks have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Just make sure the SmartCam is connected to a 2.4 GHz. Also, double check you have entered the Wi-Fi password correctly. Be sure not to confuse this with your SmartCam account login details. If the QR code doesn't scan right away, you can always move it closer or further away to adjust the distance between the phone and the camera. If that doesn't work, then try to tilt the phone to make sure there is no light reflections on the screen. And that's it for setting up the SmartCam. If you follow all these steps and you still have issues setting up your SmartCam, then you can of course contact our support team. They're on hand to answer your questions right here in London. Additionally, we hope you will join our Neos SmartCam community on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube and Facebook. So thank you everyone. And please tune in next time when you will be able to catch more tips and tricks on making the most of your little camera with a lot of talent.